Alright guys, I want to talk about what to do if you accidentally leave your windows down in the rain. So that's what happened to me the other day. It was a nice sunny day. I rolled all my windows down and my sunroof to let it air out and just forgot about it. Went to sleep that night, woke up the next morning, and apparently it had been raining all night. So I want to share a few tips with you if you accidentally leave your windows down in the rain. A few things you can do to help dry it out. So one of the first things you should do, obviously, is if it's still raining, run out to your car, roll up all the windows. Even if you don't have anywhere covered to pull your car under, at least roll up the windows so no more water gets into it. Obviously, that's step one. Once it stops raining, or once you can get it into a covered place, of course, go in there with some towels, see how much you can get up. When you're wiping with towels to get as much water out as possible, put some pressure on it while you're wiping. That'll help get more moisture up. So another thing that works really well is a wet dry vac. If you have one, you can just vacuum a lot of the water out of that and then go over it with towels, and that should help get up a lot of the water. And then once you've gotten up as much as you can get with towels, then get some fans if you have any and put them on the interior. Let them blow around on the inside, and that should help evaporate some of that moisture as well. Another option, if you have a portable dehumidifier, put it in there and roll the windows up and let it do its thing. That might be a pretty good option to help get some of that water out. And then one thing I've heard of, I've never done this, but I've heard you can get some packages of baking soda, which are really cheap. Get some of those, open them up, and just place them in your car. Those are supposed to collect up a lot of moisture. I've never tried that, but I've heard that it works. I've also heard of these things called DampRid, something like that, and I think you can hang it from your mirror or place it somewhere in your car, and it's supposed to absorb moisture in your car. I've never used those before. If you have used those, leave a comment below, let me know how it works. Same thing with the baking soda. I'd be interested to see if that actually works. And then after you've done all that, get your car under somewhere covered and roll your windows down again, let it air out. If you let it air out the same day, it's probably not going to air out that much the same day because there's going to be a lot of humidity still in the air. So you might have to wait a day or two for that to really be effective. But anyways, so that's pretty much all I could think of. If you guys have any other ideas to help get moisture out of your car, if you accidentally leave your windows down in the rain, let me know. I'd be interested to hear if you guys have found anything that works even better than anything I mentioned. So hope this helps. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.